The watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for... The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Macomb County, southern St. Clair County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Romeo to Warren and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Roseville and East Point around 4:45 p.m. Richmond and Chesterfield Township around 4:50 p.m. New Baltimore around 4:55 p.m. Adair and Anchorville around 5 p.m. Rattle Run and Pool Beach around 5:05 p.m. St. Clair and Marine City around 5:10 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Warren, Sterling Heights, St. Clair Shores,